Your hips hold a lot of emotional trauma and past stress, which leaves you walking around with sciatica, low back pain, and just tension in this area. What I'm going to share with you is a very gentle and simple somatic technique. Honestly, it is my favorite. I do it all of the time. That's going to help you release this trauma. So within 20 minutes, you're going to be able to have more freedom and range of motion in your hips. The pain is going to go down, and all you're going to need is a simple strap, or you could just use a towel, and I recommend a blanket as well. We're going to start with 3 falling out breaths. Taking a deep breath in and then letting it out with an audible sigh. Again, deep belly inhale. Letting it all go with a sigh. One more time. Deep belly inhalation. Letting it all out. Now just placing your hand on your heart. Filling your heart with gratitude for the path that has brought you to this moment, for the person that you've become. And setting the intention to release what's no longer serving you. Go ahead now and gently open your eyes. You're going to lay down and have your strap or towel close by. Go ahead and have your legs bent. Lift and lower the hips. And now just straighten the left leg and put the strap around the pad of the right foot. You want it around the ball mount of the right foot so you can firm through the thigh and just press through the heel, straightening that right leg. Smooth, deep breaths, feeling everything that's here to feel. Let's do a falling out breath together. Deep inhale and letting it all go. Smooth, deep breaths. Just exploring what's here. This technique shows us that healing happens not through force, but through awareness and gentle movement. In this practice, we'll notice tension, allow it, and then experience how simply being with it finally allows it to release. Continue to use your breath to just relax around what's occurring. Noticing the details, the quality of the sensation in this pose. What's happening now in the body? Feeling what's here to feel. Giving your full permission for sensation to be just as it is. Now do a falling out breath, deep inhalation, letting it all go. Now begin to take the right leg out to the right. Smooth, deep breath. Feeling everything that's here to feel. If you'd like to prop yourself with a blanket, you can. Or just use the strap to hold yourself there, making sure there's not much tension in the arms and shoulders. Just investigate what is here to feel. Notice the exact location, the density or lightness. Is there heat or pulsing? Is it deep in the body or shallow? No judgment. just curiosity and a willingness to allow it to be felt, letting it be just as it is. Bringing your attention back to the breath, letting the breath be soft and easy. If sensation changes or moves, just follow it patiently and easily. Continuing to investigate. All you need to do is allow sensation to be. Let's do a falling out breath, inhaling deeply and letting it all go. Let's move the leg now, slowly back to neutral. As we move into the third position, using the strap to assist you, make sure your leg is straight, firming through the thigh and extending through the heel. And as you're ready, go ahead and cross your leg over the midline of the body, just until you start to feel sensation, not moving into a twist. Smooth, deep breaths. Just exploring what's here to feel on this side. Keeping an attitude of curiosity. Using the breath to help you explore, to help you allow. Allowing everything to just be as it is. Noticing the length of the sensation, where it's emanating from, the exact location and the quality of it. Watching it as you feel it. No need to change or to resist or even to encourage. Allowing sensation to be just as it is. Let's do a falling out breath, deep inhalation, and letting go. Now on your next inhalation, just slowly bring your leg back to vertical, releasing the strap. And just returning that leg to a neutral position, laying here on the ground for a moment. Just notice the difference between the two sides, the right and left sides of the body. Now we'll do the same sequence on the left side. Begin by bending the left knee, placing the strap on the ball mound of the left foot, straightening the left leg, firming through the thigh and extending through the left heel. Smooth, deep breaths. Feeling everything that's here to feel. Not trying to get rid of it. Just use the breath to widen and soften around the edges of the sensation. As if saying to it, it's okay that you're here. Exploring the sensations, letting them be just as they are. Continuing to use the breath to make space for what's here, not needing it to be any different, allowing it to be just as it is. Using the breath to help you soften into the experience. Noticing all of the details and subtleties. Staying connected and curious. If sensation moves, just follow it. Let's do a falling out breath, deep inhalation, and letting it all go. Now, taking a deep breath in again, we're going to extend the leg out to the side. Smooth, deep breaths as the leg opens to the left. If you want to prop yourself with a blanket, you can, or simply use the strap to support you. Using the breath to relax in the midst of what's occurring. Letting go of any tension or holding in the body that doesn't need to be there. Releasing it all out. Any defensive tensions, any holding anywhere in the body. Softening, relaxing. Simply explore all the details, the quality of the sensation that's here. The mind jumps in, come back to the breath, and back to an openness to what you're feeling. Sensation just wants to be acknowledged. Giving it permission to be felt is what allows it to finally move through. Doing a falling out breath, deep inhalation, and exhaling with a sigh. Now slowly raise that left leg up, feeling everything along the way. Bringing it back into a neutral position, extending through the thigh, the left heel. And now bringing the leg across the body. You can move right past an edge in this pose, so go slowly. A few inches is all that's needed. We're not moving into a twist. Just pause when you start to feel sensation. Explore there. Just exploring right where you start to feel something. Keeping the breath full and deep. Giving everything permission to exist just as it is. Breathing and feeling. Staying with sensation. Giving it room to loosen. To disperse, or perhaps it intensifies. Just witness, letting it know I'm willing to feel you. let's do a falling out breath. Inhaling, letting it out with a sigh. And on the next inhalation, slowly bringing the leg back to a neutral position, releasing the strap and lowering down next to the right leg. Feeling that released energy moving through the body. As we prepare for integration, if you'd like, you can take a blanket to cover yourself, perhaps having one behind the head, or if you're comfortable here, just stay here. And sense a cushion of vital energy surrounding and permeating the entire body. With each breath in, feel that cushion becoming stronger and more palpable until the entire body is felt as a pulsing, tingling energy field. Whole body breathing in, whole body breathing out. Sense that vital cushion of energy surrounding every cell of the body equally. Feel the soft energy of the breath moving all around and throughout, soft and easy. Trust it'll all let go in its own time. There's nothing for you to do. Steady and centered. No longer at odds with any part of you. Simply allowing and accepting it all. Surround your body with unconditional love and acceptance. Acknowledge that any physical manifestation is a very important messenger in your life. That whatever happens is exactly what needs to happen for your growth and evolution. All that's necessary is your willingness to be present to what is. Be still and be at peace. And just go to that still, silent space below the mind, below even the movement of energy, trusting that any integration that needs to happen is happening now. See, feel, or sense yourself freed from limiting tendencies, self-defeating patterns or habits. Know that releases, shifts, and changes that need to take place are happening independent of your doing. Become aware of the rising and falling of the breath. Slowly coming back to awareness of the physical body, wiggling the fingers and toes, bending the knees, and then rolling onto your right side, curling into a fetal position. Feel the safety, comfort, and protection of the womb of existence. Now, just gently push yourself up into a seated position, placing your hand on your heart. If there's any guidance to be received, let it be received now. Gently opening the eyes. Victory
to the spirit.